last topic is scalar triple product. Now before starting with the scalar triple product, let us learn basically what triple product is. Now the product formed with three vectors is called triple product. Now if we are having, now how many types of products we can show, let's check it. Now if we are having vector A, vector B and vector C, okay. Now let's see how many different types of products we can have, okay. So now first we can have, let's check it. Suppose it is, now number 1, vector A dot vector B with vector C. Number 2, vector A dot vector B with vector C. Then next can be vector A dot vector B cross vector C. Then we can have vector A cross vector B dot vector C. Now we can write it. Fifth, now fifth can be vector A dot vector B cross vector C, okay. Then we can have A cross B with C, okay. Vector A cross vector B with dot product for vector C. Then we can have seventh, now we have gone with dot products, scalar, 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 then cross products. Now finally we are left with A cross B with cross product of vector C and we can have now vector A cross product with vector C. Now I think I have written all the types of the triple product. Now let's check it. What is it possible? Now is it possible, now you have done whole of the chapter, now is it possible that you are getting any of the result for this part? I think no, okay. So now 1 and 2 is not possible. Now why it is not possible? Because scalar dot product is not defined on scalar. Now what is scalar? A dot B is a scalar, is not, sorry, A dot B and vector C, because we are having A dot B is a scalar quantity and C is a vector quantity, okay. So we have already written A, B and C are the vectors, okay. So first is not possible, first and second both are not possible. Then we are having now third and fourth. Third and fourth is not possible again. Now why it is not possible? Because we are having now here vector cross product. Vector or cross product is not defined on again scalar A dot B and vector, or I have just taken for, I am just explaining for this part and for this part, basically these two are the same. Okay. Now fifth and sixth are possible, and because now we can get a result for A dot cross product for B and C, because when we are getting cross product of B and C, it is in the form of unit vectors, for example I, j and k, and also vector A is A1 i cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. Then we can have dot product between two scalar quantities. This becomes a scalar, this becomes a scalar. Okay. So fifth and sixth are possible, and these are called scalar triple product, because product of scalar triple product is a scalar. Seventh and eighth are possible, and this is called vector triple product, because you can just see it is only the cross products. Okay. So this is called vector triple product because product of vector triple product, I just write in VTP, product of the vector triple product is vector. Is it clear? So this is all about the topic, and our topic is only what we are going to do, we are going to solve only these types of questions, that is scalar triple products. Okay. So we will be solving this part. This is not possible, this is not possible, this is possible, but this is not our topic. Okay. Our topic is only this one, and that is scalar triple product.